drawing for the car. All right, last year we voted at the Natural Olympia. All the athletes voted. We didn't vote, the athletes voted, and the women got a say in this. Instead of the car just going to the open men's professional category like it has the last 2 years in a row, there's going to be a drawing, and we said we had to have at least 10 in each category for the first place winner to be put into the drawing. And 4 of those categories qualify for that tonight. It's the open men, Kiyoshi Moody, masters men, Bryce Cleary, figure, Elena Renteria. Is she here? I need Elena up on stage with her number. Where's Elena? She's here. And Joelle Christine. Let's bring them up on stage. All right.
What's your number in?
I need all 4 of them. Kiyoshi Moody, Bryce Cleary, Elena Renteria, Joelle Christine. Kiyoshi Moody is the winner of the professional men. Bryce Cleary, Australia Masters PNBA champion. Figure PNBA champion, Elena Renteria, USA. And Bikini Divas, Joelle Christine. All right, well, we got 2 from the USA and 2 from Australia. So we got a 50-50 chance. For the men, you got a 50-50 chance. For the ladies, you got a 50-50 chance. All right, this is what has to happen. You have to remove your numbers out of the clear shield. I think they should probably fold them in 4s. All right, going into the bowl, Kiyoshi Moody, number 331. Going into the bowl, Bikini Divas, number 318. And going into the bowl, Bryce Cleary. Where's Bryce? What number was that? Professional Masters. I believe that's 351. And then we have your figure champion. Hold on. You gotta put the figure number in there. What number was figure?
Whose kid is she?
Figure was Elena, 145. Oh, we have just an unbiased person pulling the drawing. Okay, just hold somebody out of the audience. That's cool. That way. Danny, you gonna read it? Give us a number, sweetie. Shout it out. 351.